Exercise 7.2, question number 6. In this question, the coordinates of 4 points are given which are vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, and we have to find two unknowns x and y. So here is the parallelogram ABCD with coordinates of 4 vertices A, B, C and D, and two unknowns x and y we have to find out in this question. So here we are going to use a property of parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. That means both the diagonals divides each other into two equal parts. AC and BD intersect at point O. That means AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD, because diagonals AC and BD of parallelogram ABCD bisect each other, and that point of bisection is O. So this point of bisection of the diagonals O is midpoint of diagonal AC, and also O is midpoint of diagonal BD. So coordinates of midpoint O of diagonal AC and coordinates of midpoint of diagonal BD will be same, will be equal, because O is the midpoint of AC and also O is the midpoint of BD. So we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other Here diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at O. Therefore, O is the midpoint of AC and BD as well. Therefore, coordinates of midpoint of diagonal AC is equal to coordinates of midpoint of diagonal BD. Therefore, now let us write the coordinates of midpoint of diagonal AC. 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2. Coordinates of midpoint of diagonal AC. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 equal to coordinates of midpoint of diagonal BD. 4 plus 3 by 2, 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Left side is coordinates of midpoint of diagonal AC. Right side are coordinates of diagonal BD and a midpoint of diagonal BD, and midpoint of diagonals AC and BD both is the same point. That means 1 plus x by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2, 4 plus 3 by 2, y plus 5 by 2 are coordinates of the same point. So therefore, on comparing, we can write 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. So 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 4 plus 3, 7 by 2. X coordinate equal to x coordinate and y coordinate equal to y coordinate. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 2 plus 6, 8 by 2, and this implies 1 plus x equal to 7, 1 plus x equal to 7 because 2 cancelled, and y plus 5 equal to 8. This implies x equal to 7 minus 1, 6, and y equal to 8 minus 5, 3. And this is the answer.